Hi, my name is Abby. I'm in the Galen campus in Tampa, and I'm also in the ADN program. I feel like the exam are similar to the NCLEX, and also, I don't really have any hospital experiences, but during clinicals, the stuff that I learned in lab, I feel like I can feel like I'm learning something, especially when I see like patients. I can kind of figure out what's going on just based on what I'm doing in lectures and lab. And keep in mind, I don't have no experiences as a nurse, so yeah. Now I feel better. I feel more confident, like I'm passing my classes, and I know how to study better now. And when I first started, I used to be super nervous because, I didn't really know how to study. In high school, I never used to study, so now I feel better.